At Harrison Clarke, as a team of experienced professionals, we understand that we have a duty to help improve the world around us, both through our professional work and individual talents. As such, in everything we do, we look to serve our community in any possible way. This is one reason why we produce so much video content, which is available on our website and YouTube. Our videos provide high quality advice and expert advice on property and construction matters. We are able to educate fellow professionals through CPD sessions, such as identifying key issues within the party wall process to architect contact, or perhaps through upskilling our colleagues in valuation and agency surveying about what the dilapidations process really looks like. These CPD sessions can be delivered in person or online. One drawback to offering online content or CPD sessions is that while these platforms can serve as a starting point for addressing property issues, we can't use them to give specific advice tailored to a person's circumstances. While one of my favourite things to do is send an invoice to a client, let's be honest, using a great building surveyor isn't cheap, and to some will look downright expensive. So, to bolster the availability of information to those who perhaps don't have the resource to work with highly qualified, competent and experienced building surveyors, such as the amazing team I'm lucky to work alongside, as a business, we have empowered all of our team to offer a set amount of pro bono time, that is, time spent on instructions free of charge for some clients. This means that we are better able to serve the community by offering accessible and specific property information to our community, regardless of their means. Typical types of clients this may apply to could be charity occupiers or perhaps a family living in social housing who are struggling to resolve building disrepair issues with their landlord. While we aren't able to support all potential pro bono clients, we will always do our best to assist where possible. In some instances, we may be able to offer reduced rates rather than providing a 100% funded solution. If you fall into this category or know somebody that does, please contact us in the usual way through harrisonclarke.co.uk and we may be able to assist. As we would with a fee-paying client, if we feel that we are a good fit for one another, we will agree terms of business before completing work such that both us and our client understand each other's expectations. Sometimes this can take the form of an agreed amount of hours, as we are a time-based service business, or perhaps we will ask you to ensure that any material information needed will be provided without undue delay. Don't be worried by this formality, especially if you aren't used to dealing with chartered professionals, as the team are all friendly and keen to assist. In our drive to bring social good into our local communities, at Harrison Clarke we can also choose to spend time on voluntary charitable projects and to commit what would otherwise be work time towards projects which really mean something to them personally. We appreciate that we are hugely lucky to have the education and expertise that has come after many years of support from others as well as study, and we are keen to reflect this back towards others that are not so fortunate. We are always looking for new opportunities to help our community, so if you have a project you need a few extra team members for, please do get in touch to see if we can help. Further, we love to take part in sponsored events, whether individually or as a team. At the moment we don't have a chosen charity, which has allowed us to support several good causes over the last few months. So whether you're a social housing tenant that can't seem to nudge your landlord into dealing with a long-standing building issue, a charity involved in a dilapidations dispute with your commercial landlord, need some help with refurbishing your community hall, or are perhaps looking for fundraising ideas to raise crucial funds for your upcoming project, we'd love to hear from you. Please contact our friendly team through our website at harrisonclarke.co.uk. If you'd like to suggest other ideas on how, as a business, we can better help serve the community with a people-first focus, please drop these in the comments section below.